Honey? I like?
Yeah, I think this one is the best one yet we've done. Tell us you're ready. They have to take your ticket first, baby. When they take your ticket, then it will be ready, okay? You're so ready, huh? Give him a ticket. Ticket, man. Ticket, away. You're ready to go? Ready to go. Hold on tight.
Hello.
They have the noisiest parents out here. Unless I just talk to mom.
Hello.
Okay, it's finished now, okay?
Hello? How was it?
You had fun? He wants to go back on. Oh, you want to go on the flight now? Okay, good. train tour in just about 15 minutes or so. Tour of the city, which should be super fun. Tally, you ready to go on the train? You ready to go on the train? Which side? The side where I am?
you want to go? Here.
Yeah.
This one is a glass. Yeah.
Tyler, come. Come, give me a hand. Whoa. Come, sit. Come over. Whoa. Train tour. This should be so much fun. This tour is gonna be litty. Which side you said the beach is on? That side?
Yeah.
That's okay. So we're officially on tour, you guys. I think we're driving by the famous street where all these famous monuments. Game that they're playing over there is a very famous game in France called Pétanque. And one of the best players from France come from this city and started playing in this exact field that we're looking at right here.
Wonderful point of view, so that's where we are heading now. And That's the wonderful view. Hello? So here's the casino and honey, I like.
Yeah, I think this one is the best one yet we've done out of all the tours we've done and all the places that we've gone.
That's this place you prefer?
Yeah, this one is my best one yet.
Alright, so if you have someone who come
out of Monaco,
at home,
it's a toss-up between Monaco and Cannes for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
The good thing here is that the city is not that big, that you can do a lot of things. Look at this painting.
Look at that art.
I'm trying to zoom it.
Oh, I'm cold. I'm cold. That's where we were walking this morning?
Yeah, that's this place. We park just close to here. This is where we went earlier in the train, the end of this land. And these two islands, I don't know if you see well, there it's a very pretty tourist spot.
I honestly think that this trip is the best trip we've done yet.
No, I'm enjoying it.
It's really good. I'm having so much fun.
You know, because the city is not that big and things compact, you can do a lot of things.
Yeah.
No, and I think taking the train is the first time we took it. I think
it's a good idea to take the train. We need to take the train more often. At least when we take the train, we don't miss all the information about the tour, the city.
And you're showing straight to the place.
Right. But I think this one is a toss-up between Monaco and
walk, but when you just go one day,
it's not easy to go all the places, and you know I'll get whiny after a while, and I think the train is a really good idea. It's worth the cost. I don't mind it, but this is the best one yet so far. It's a really toss-up, but I like it. I'm having so much fun, and so is the boys.